Today we're going to do a head-to-head comparison of the KT5 sensor, which is going to be discontinuing at the end of 2020, and the KTX, which serves as the drop-in replacement product. At a first glance, the KT5 and the KTX look almost identical. However, there are some key similarities and differences between the two products. With the KT5 sensor, you could choose if the light came out the top or the long side of the sensor. With the KTX sensor, you actually choose a different part number based on what configuration you want. Mechanically, the KTX has the same dimensions as the KT5 in terms of its length, width, and height. In this side-by-side comparison, you can see that both the KTX and the KT5 have rotatable connectors to help with your mounting and wiring. In addition, both have identical mounting holes on the sides and the front to make the KTX a drop-in replacement for the KT5. The KTX has a lot of offerings for different light emission colors and sizes to make that transition from the KT5 smooth. As you can see, both of the sensors that I'm showing here have very similar dimension light spots. Taking a look at the display on the KT5, you see that there is a potentiometer for adjusting the sensor, along with an output LED and a light dark switch. Comparatively with the KTX, there's a menu and a display that allows you to adjust the threshold or the teach functionality, where you can select between 1-point, 2-point, automatic, or dynamic teach modes. From a distance, the LEDs on both the KT5 and the KTX are very bright. However, looking from the right side, from the left side, or straight above, you can see that the KTX's lights are much brighter. Lastly, we're going to compare the teach functionality. On the right hand of my screen, you see that with just a few simple button pushes, the KTX is already taught. On the left hand of my screen, you see that I'm still using the potentiometer to find the right value for the sensor. Now I'm going to show side-by-side comparison, so as I move the card away from each of the sensors, you see that I get reliable sensing with both the KT5 and the KTX. In summary, making the jump from the KT5 to the KTX should be straightforward and painless. However, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your local SICK representative so we can help you with that transition.